Hi, Madeleine Lowry, Certified MAP Method Practitioner. I wanted to talk a little bit about my practice, which is focused on chronic health issues, including everything from sensitivities to migraine headaches, from eczema to infertility, from chronic pain or fatigue to long COVID, and from irritable bowel syndrome to autoimmune conditions, including low thyroid function. I want you to understand that working with your mind can be the missing puzzle piece in unlocking your healing potential. That is because the mind is very powerful. And on the road to recovery, you want to be working with your mind, not against your mind. So working with the mind can make any modalities, any treatments, anything that you are currently undertaking work better and faster. So I also want you to understand that if your goals are to resolve chronic symptoms or chronic health conditions, that our sessions will encompass really all levels of your mental and emotional life. So we will be working with any anxiety triggers or triggers for depression. We will be working with your struggles in relationships or in work or your purpose in life. We will be working with negative core beliefs, the way that you regard yourself, traits of personality that are no longer serving you, like people pleasing or being the fixer, the savior, just to name a few examples. And of course, we will be releasing painful emotional residue from past traumas. So this is all part of the process, even if your goals are chronic health issues. Why? Because your physical health is based on your emotional and mental health. And so this is why working with the mind, as I said, is an important piece of that whole puzzle. So most people, I've now worked with hundreds of clients in thousands of MAP sessions, and I find that in most cases it is effective if they are committed to the process, because it is a process. It is not a miracle. I would say that you will know if the MAP method is for you within the first 3 sessions. This is not to say that you'll be feeling physically better in 3 sessions, but the changes, usually within the first 3 sessions, are more of at an emotional level. And then maybe 3 more sessions, we will be seeing changes on a mental level. And then after a few more sessions, and of course this varies very much by individual because each individual has different layers of complexity, different life experiences, right? Some people are much more complex and some people are, have a simpler situation. But anyway, so the 3rd level would be seeing changes at a physical level. So this is the process that we are working through: the emotional, the mental, the physical. As I said, most people know within 3 sessions, like, oh, I'm seeing emotional shifts. I think that this is working for me. And that gives them a feeling that they have found something that is effective for them and adds to their commitment to the process. So check out the resources that I offer on my website. I do offer a lot of resources. I believe that educating yourself about the process before you jump into sessions is time well spent. Check out the videos, check out the client testimonials. I offer free courses on the MAP method and how we use it for chronic health issues. I offer a podcast, Flourish with Neural Retraining. So there are many podcast episodes where you can hear me talk about the method and how it works. You can hear me talking with my clients and the benefits that they've experienced after a set of sessions. All these resources are available to you at my website, tcneuralretraining.com. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to working with you.